Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Altcoin Buzz Trading. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, and I'm not really sure what other token will do it on the fly here. There's not a lot of major bullishness out there, at least like big pops or anything really setting up. But something unique happened yesterday. Remember my video yesterday? We were right down here above this trend line on the 2 hour, and what a gargantuan move since then. Just a tremendous amount of buying pressure coming into BTC, my volume aggregation tool, which measures buying pressure in green and selling pressure in orange here. Just really widespread between the two. We appear to be in a great place and above recent highs, above my alert at the 44,595. And here we go. Looks like we're off to a good start to the 2024. Great action there. Some of the altcoins, though, not quite as bullish, but I'll take it. If Bitcoin's going to get bullish, there's nothing bad to say about that. Just all in all, good action. I mean, straight up the entire time. If you were looking at the 15-minute, you've got some interesting little consolidations along the way, but nothing too dramatic. Volume declining. We could stall up here for a little bit, but just the ability to get above that 44,595 or about $1,500. I guess only about $1,000. Got up towards $1,400 at the top there. Good stuff overall. Pretty good volume today. Nothing to complain about. There's still 10 and a half hours left to go. Should be a good volume day. Ideally, we close higher. Above 46 would be great. And that would give the altcoins permission to have another big run. And that's kind of what we're looking at right now is waiting for those altcoins to get going, and those are for most people that provides a lot of their gains. If you're just trading BTC, that's fine as well, but it obviously doesn't move nearly as much as say as Solana. So let's take a look at Solana, our market leader up here. Big brilliant move all yesterday and into today. Volume getting a little bit heavier, although not super heavy. You can see we don't quite have the same volume signatures here, but on the daily time frame, we're above all key moving averages. And this is a beautiful little cup consolidation that's formed here. It's been flat, going on here since the 28th, moved up yesterday, and here we are. So I'm hoping this can maybe consolidate here, move up a little more, and then form another whatever handle you want to call it. Then we can break out further. This market is looking very good right now. Ethereum looking good up here, just hanging out in highs. Not in highs, but near highs, near recent highs. Just good stuff overall, all across the board. So, nothing new really to show you guys today except for BTC into new recent highs. And other than that, but this is a good market. It's a great market. You need to be a little bit patient during these consolidations because that's when you can make mistakes. But it's hard to not make mistakes. So if you miss one buy signal, if you miss an early buy signal, a bottoming buy signal, you have to wait for a traditional breakout signal, all right? Because otherwise, you're just going to get chopped up in the in-between, and you don't want to do that. So take your time here, pick good spots, and if you miss it, just say BTC, for instance, say the altcoins start to rally, BTC is really solid, it starts to go again, then you can, start to try to find these consolidations to buy above, and then find stops underneath it, these recent lows. Okay, that's a way to approach these situations, but you have to wait for the volume to come in, and so they can propel you higher. It's really hard to sit in losses. You just feel that the whole time, and it's almost like I'm not sure if you know the analogy about a frog in boiling water. If you have a pot of boiling water, throw a frog in, it'll hop out. But if you start the water cold, put it on the stove, turn it to high, the frog doesn't necessarily register that change in temperature, and they'll die due to the boiling water, just because it's not instantly boiling. You can do the same thing with losses in the market. You can start off instantly with a loss, and it can get bigger and bigger and bigger, and before you know it, all your rules are broken. So don't let that happen to you. Wait for a good time, stock a trade, and then act. But don't be scared to act after you've already made a plan. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, have a great day out there today, and I'll see you tomorrow on Altcoin Buzz Trading.